Hi, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my channel. I'm just here to show you that things are happening on Niki Live. We are making free money there. So now I did a withdrawal on Monday and today I've actually received the money. So now I just saw a message that check this one out. That the money has been deposited. So this is the one here. Little helper, congrats, the withdrawals you made. Check this one out. The withdrawals you made last week are successful. Money has been transferred to your bank account. Please check. Okay. So now let's head on to, because the withdrawal which I had said is yellow card. So let's go to yellow card and check if the money has arrived. If the money has arrived. Okay, it's loading. Come on, yellow card. 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 Load. Okay, so that's 471. I hope you're able to see that. 471. It has successfully been withdrawn from my Niki Live. So now in the next video, I'll show you how you can actually withdraw money from USDT so that it happens to be in the main account, which is, because if you try to withdraw right now, they'll tell you that you have zero money in your account. Because it's in USDT, you have to remove it from there into your main account, and that's when now you can click withdraw so that you withdraw by your mobile money account or your bank account. So now, for now, let me take you back to Niki so that I show you how you withdraw money from Niki. Okay, so we are heading back to Niki Live. Okay, so I'm opening the app. Niki Live. Come on, Niki. 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 Okay, we are in. So now for you to do or to make any withdraw, you have to click the tab sitting in the bottom right corner. That will open your page. Check out, so far I've made 169,464 beans. So that is money, and beans denotes money. Click on the beans and then check out the second box where the beans. Click the arrow at the far right end. Come on, Niki. Come on, Niki. Come on, Niki. Come on, Niki. Okay, beautiful. Here we go. Click withdraw. Click withdraw. So now all that beans converted into dollars. I have 16.94 US dollars. Now the thing is, I had already set up the withdrawal wallet, which is yellow card. If you haven't seen how to set up yellow card as a withdrawal wallet, you should watch the video I did prior to this one. So now here you have to click that box which is at the bottom of beans withdraw amount. So you can say we want to withdraw $16. So from here you simply click withdraw and all the money will be loaded into your yellow card account. Now you do the withdrawal only on Mondays and the money reflects on Thursday. So today is a Thursday and money is reflecting. That's how we do it, baby. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you happen to be alerted. Thank you so much for watching. This is Doc Mountain.